Welcome everyone. In this video we will talk about effective use of baking soda for constipation. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is sometimes recommended as a home remedy for constipation, but its effectiveness is limited and not well supported by scientific evidence. The rationale behind using baking soda for constipation is that it can help neutralize stomach acid and potentially provide some relief from symptoms like bloating and abdominal discomfort. However, baking soda is not considered an evidence-based treatment for constipation itself. While some people may find that baking soda provides temporary relief, there is no conclusive scientific data to confirm its efficacy in treating the underlying causes of constipation. Constipation can have various potential causes such as diet, dehydration, medication side effects, or underlying medical conditions, and requires a more comprehensive approach to management. Ultimately, baking soda should not be relied upon as a primary treatment for constipation. For persistent or severe constipation, it is recommended to consult a healthcare professional who can provide personalized advice and prescribe appropriate evidence-based treatments if necessary. For more information, please go to the description. There is a lot of important information for you. Finally, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to receive everything new. See you in the next videos.